Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about division by 98. Previously we have read about division by 99. There is a two-digit number. One number first I will solve by using 99 so that that will be a revision for you. So if any number divided by 99, see if 358 three-digit number divided by 99. So what we are doing in that case, but it is a two-digit number. It is a two-digit number. Our divisor is a two-digit. So two-digit will count from the end digit. Now we will separate the digit. Our divisor is of two digits, so two digit will count from the end digit 1, 2. Thereafter we will divide the separate the digit. Then what we have to do? We have to add this 3. That means it is 61. Now the final sum is 61. 61 will be divided by 99. That is 0.61 bar. Now we have to add this result and this digit 3.61 bar. You have to write first, and 3 plus 0 3. So answer is 3.61 bar. Remember one thing: division by 9 or series of 9s you have to put bar after decimal, but division by 98 you don't need to put bar. Division by 9 or series of 9 you have to put bar there, as because that is recurring decimal, non-terminating recurring decimal. Here you don't need to put bar, as because 98 you don't need bar. So see, if any number, any three-digit number is divided by 9, what will be three-digit number? Three-digit number divided by 98. So see, if 452 divided by 98, what we have to do? What we have to check? Here our divisor is a two-digit, it's a two-digit number. So what we have to do? We have to count two digits, 1 and 2. Thereafter we have to separate the digit. In case of 99, directly we are adding 3. But here what you have to do? You have to multiply 2. 4 into 2, that is how much? 8. Now it is how much? 60. What I have done? In case of 99, directly I have added 3 here. But when we are dividing by 98, we have to multiply 2. Why? Because I will tell to you. Then this 68 will be divided by 98. Sorry, now the 60 is divided by 98. Now what we can write? As because 60 is smaller than 98 and 98 is nearer to 100, you can write the approximate value 0.60 or 0.61. You can write 0.60 also, 0.60 also, or approximately 0.61 also. This is also correct, no problem. As because here we are going to find the approximate value. Clear? Now these two will be added, either 0.41, otherwise 0.60, otherwise 0.61. So 0.60 first you write, and 4 plus this 0, that is 4. Answer is 4.60. If you are adding with 4.61, then it will be 0.61. You have to write first, then 4 plus 0, that is 4. 4.61 is also correct answer. 4.60 also correct answer. Any answer you can write. But remember, if 60 is coming, don't write 0.65. It nearest is means 60 is coming. After 60 is coming here, that means 61 you can use. Don't use 67, 68. So 0.61, 1 means 1 you can add in this. 60 is coming in, 61 it can be. Not 65, 67 or 71, 72. So better you go for 4.60. Why I am multiplying 2? See, if I am dividing 100 with 98, so 98, how much time I can take? One time I can take. So 98. So remainder is what? 100 minus 98 is 2. 100 plus digit is 1 and this is 2. Remainder is always coming 2 times of 100 plus digit. If I am dividing 200 by 98, I can take 2 times. That means 196. Here 4 is the remainder. Here the 100 place digit is 4 and the remainder, sorry, 100 place digit is 2 and the remainder is 4. So here remainder is coming 2 times of the 100 place digit. So whenever we are taking 100 place digit, we have to multiply by 2 and thereafter we have to add. One more example we will read so that you will be able to understand. Suppose it is given 350 385 divided by 98. So what we have to do? First we have to separate the digit. Our divisor is a 2 digit. So 1 2 then separated. Now this 3 will be multiplied by 2. 3 2 is just 6. 6 will be added. So 85 plus 6, that is how much? 91. 91 divided by 98. Either 0.91 you can write, otherwise 0.92. If you are going for 91, then that is better. Don't change it. Then what you have to do? You have to add this result and this 100 place digit. So 0.91 and thereafter 3 plus this 0, that is 3. Answer is 3.91. We'll discuss some more number so that it will be easy for you to understand. 842 divided by 98. So first what we have to do? We have to separate the digits, right? So 1 2 separated. Now 8 2 are 16. 16 you have to add. So here it is 58. 58 by 98 is how much? 0.58. Now you have to add. So 0.58. 8 plus 0, that is 8. Answer is 8.58. This is the approximate answer. This is means decimal value, it is approximate one only. Okay, don't think this is totally exact answer. This is approximate answer. This is also correct. And if you are dividing with 995 divided by 98, then what we have to do? Here you may face problem. See, here 1 2 digits are separated. Now what I have to do? 9 2s are 18. The sum is 113. The sum is 113. Now how can we divide? How can we do this? 113 by 98. So if the sum is more than 100, if the sum is more than 100, if it is more than 100, then what you have to do? 113 by 98 means 1 point last 2 digit plus 2. That means 13 plus 2, how much? 15. So 1.15. So what I have done? 1 point last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2, that is 15. So 1.15. Now you have to add this one and this one. So 0.15 you have to write first. 9 plus 1, that is 10. Answer is 10.15. So why I am adding 2? Why I am adding 2? Again back to, if you back to this method, 113 divided by 98, you will get the same result. Separated 1 into 2, how much? 2. That means how much? 15. 15 by 98 is how much? 0.15, and that is 1.15. So we cannot do that much long method. The simple thing, when the sum exceeds 100, last 1 point last 2 digit plus 2. 13 plus 2, that is 50. Understood? So that is 1.15. 9, then this 100 place digit will be added to the result. Our result is 1.15. So 0.15 we have to write first. The 9 will be added with 1, that is 10.15. So this is all about divisions by 98. 3 digit number, 4 digit number we will do. After this you can take the screenshot also. Before going to 4-digit number, one more number I want to solve. That is last number what I have done. Like 995 divided by 98. 995, that is of the same kind. Fourth number I have done. So what we have to do first? We have to separate the digit. Separated. Then 9 into 2, 18. So how much? Again 100 and 998 will take 998. Okay. So now how much? 116. 116 divided by 98. What I told to you, three conditions I will write that will help you in 4-digit and 5-digit number also. Three conditions. First condition, when sum is greater than 100, then add 2 to last 2 digit. Last 2 digit. When sum is greater than 200, if the sum is more than 200, so add 4 to last 2 digit. Add 4 to last 2 digit. This is the method. And third point, when sum is more than 300, add 6 to last 3, so last 2 digit, add 6 to last 2 digit. So here the first condition, add 2 to last 2 digit, as because the sum is more than 100. The sum is more than 100. So what we have to do? If the sum is more than 100, last 2 digit we have to add 16 plus 2. So 1.16 plus 2, 18, 1.18. As you know that 116 is greater than 98, then the value must be more than 1. So 1 point last 2 digit plus 2, as because 116 is greater than 100. So 16 plus 2, that is 18. Now what we have to do? We have to add this. So 0.18, first you have to write 0.18, then 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10.18 is the answer. So this is all about 3-digit number divided by 99. Now we will go to 4-digit number, or 4-digit number divided by 99. Fifty-six 5639 divided by 98. Same like 99, 1, 2. Now the digits are separated. Now what we have to do? Into 2 we have to do. 56 into 2, 112. 112 will be added with 39. That is how much? 2 9 11, 3 1 4 1 5, 151 divided by 98. Which condition applied? The sum is greater than 100. The sum is greater than 100. Then last 2 digit will be added with 2. So how much? The value will be more than 1. So 51 plus 2, 53. Now you have to add this. So 0.53 you have to write first. 56 plus this 1, that is 57. Answer is 57.53. Clear? Now one more number will do. 9398 divided by 98. What we have to separate? The digits are separated. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 2. That is how much? 186. Clear? So now what we have to do? 8 6 14. 8 9 17 and 8 6 14, 8 9 17 1 18 and 1 1 2, 284 by 98. Now the second condition applied, sum is more than 200, sum is more than 200. So last two digit plus, if the sum is more than 200, last two digit plus how much? 4. So 2 point, simply keep the digit, 2.84 plus 4, 88, 2.88. Now what we have to do? We have to add. Which number we have to add? This is 93 and this 2.88. Clear? So 0.88 you have to write for 0.88. Then this 93 plus 2, that is 95. Answer is 95.88. So this is another number. One more number I will do so that it will be easy for you. This is how. See, in this number the sum is 284. 284 means second case applied. When the sum is greater than 200, when the sum is greater than 200, then add a 4 to last two digit. Last two digit is 84. 84 plus 4, 88. So 2, simply I have to keep 2 point. Thereafter 84 plus 4, 88. Now I have to add this 93 with this. So 0.88, 93 plus 2, that is 95. So in this way you can get this value. If you want to take the screenshot, take it. Now one more number will do. Suppose 5378 divided by 98. So first what I have to do? I have to separate the digits. So 1 2, then separated. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply 2 with this 2 digit. 53 into 2 how much? 106. 1 6 8 14 7 1 8 184. Now see, the sum is more than 100. 184 is more than 100. So what I have to do? When it is more than 100, I have to add 2 always to the last two digits. 84 plus 2. And simply I have to keep this. 1 means 1.84 plus 2, 86. 1 means 1, simply I have to keep 0.84 plus 2. As because this is 184 is more than 100, so 84 plus 2, that is 0.86. Now what I have to do? I have to add this 2. Simply 0.86 you have to write. Then 53 plus 1, that is 54. So 54.86, this is the answer. So you can get a value like this if 4 digit numbers are divided by 98. Now we go to 5 digit number. What happened? You can take the screenshot also. What happened when 4 digit number 5 digit number divided with 98? So 5 digit number divided by 98. 5 digit number divided by 98. So we'll take one 5 digit number. 27943 divided by 98. 1 2 1 2. So 2 digit 1 2 1 2 and thereafter this remaining 2. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply 2. That is 4 means 83. Now this 83 will be multiplied by 2. Not this 79, 83. Remember that thing. This 83 into 2. 83 into 2. 83 into 2 is how much? 166. So 166. Now add 69, 6 4 10. This is 209 divided by 98. 209 divided by 98. Now what I have to do? The sum is more than 200. So last two digit will be added. with 4. If the sum is more than 200, last two digit will be added with 4. So simply this 2 I have to keep 2.9 plus 4 30. So 2.13. Now what I have to do, this part and this part I have to add. So 0.13 I will keep 83 plus 2, that is 85. Thereafter 2 I have to write here. 2, it is in 100 place. No, sorry. Here you have to take this as unit, then tens, then 100. So this one, always the far digit will remain at 100 place. Far digit will remain at 100 place. That means this 285.83, 285, sorry, 285.13, 285.13. 83 will be added with this. Remember, this two number will be added. This two number, this 83 and 2.13, that is 85.13. Then this two simply you have to keep here. One or two more five digit number I will do, so that you will be able to understand. Nine four eight three nine divided by 98. So first what we have to do? We have to separate the digits. Digits are separated. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 9 into 2, that is 18. It is how much? 66. Now this 66 into 2 we have to multiply. So you have 66 into 2. So 66 into 2, that is how much? 132. 132. 9 to 11. 33617. 171 by 98. 171. Now the sum is more than 100. If the sum is more than 100, then last two digit plus 2. So 1 simply I will keep, and 71 plus 2, that is 73. Now what I told you, this part will be added with this part. This part will be added with this part. Now 0.73 you have to keep here, and 61 plus 66 plus 1, that is 67. Now this number simply you have to keep here. Here it is 9, so here you have to keep 9. 967.73. Remember one thing, if this number 94839 divided by 100, then you know that it is easy, 948.39 is coming. So don't balance it like this. If the value will be less than 948.39, your answer is incorrect. Okay, so that's why I am adding this 66 and this value. Thereafter I am keeping here 9. Clear? Thereafter I am keeping here 9. One or two number, one more number will solve. So you can take the screenshot also how the numbers is happening. One bigger number will take 99889 divided by 98. Separated. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply 2. 9 into 2, 18. That is how much coming? 116. Then how much? 116 into 2. That is how much? 232. 9 to 11, 8 3 11, 321 is coming. When the sum is more than 300, then you have to add 6 to the unit place. Last two digit. Sorry, you have to add 6 to the last two digit. When the sum is more than 300, you have to add 6 to the last two digit. So simply I will keep 3 here. 3.21 plus 6, that is 27. Now what I have to do? Here I am having 3-digit number. Here I am having 3-digit number. So always take 2 digit from here. This 100 plus number will be added to 9. So 16 plus, always you have to take 2 digit here. So 0.27 you have to write first. Then 16 plus 3, that is 19, and 1 plus 9, that is 10. So 1019.27. 1019 plus 27. Here if it is coming 3 digit, here if it is coming 3 digit, here if it is coming 3 digit number is coming, here keep 2 digit. Keep 2 digit and add it to result. What I have done, I have kept 16. 16 plus 3, 19, and thereafter 0.27. This 1 it is added to 9. So 1 plus 9, this is 10. So answer is 1019.27. Clear? You can take screenshot also. So one more number we'll discuss, and one more thing you do, you write all these numbers whatever I am explaining in your copy. So one more number we'll discuss. Two four eight seven nine divided by 98. So I have to separate the digit first. Thereafter, what I have to do? I have to multiply 2. 2 into 2, how much? 4. That is 52. Now 2 into 52, that is how much? 104. Then 183. 183 will be divided by 98. The sum is more than 100. So what I have to do? Last 2 digit plus 2. Last 2 digit is 83. Here 2. So 1.85. So 1 directly I have to take here, then 83 plus 2, 1.85. Now this 2 digit will be added to the result. So 0.85, simply you have to write this 1 plus 52, how much? This is 53. 53. Now simply you have to take 2. 253.85. This is the result, 253.85. Clear? One more number I will do, thereafter this will be the end of this video. Division by 98, that will be, means this chapter will be completed. So see, 89899 divided by 98 separated. Now what you have to do? Into 2, 8 into 2, 16, that means 114. 114 into 2, how much? 228, that means 327 divided by 98. The sum is more than 300. The sum is more than 300. So last 2 digit plus 6. So 3 simply I will keep. 27 plus 6, 33. So 3. Now what I have to do? Always I told to you, if 3 digit is coming, take 2 digit. This 100 place digit will be added to this. 14 plus 3.33. That means 0.33 you have to write first. 0.33 you have to write first. 14 plus 3, that is 17. This 1 will be added with 8. 8 plus 1, how much? 9. Answer is 917.33. This is all about division by 98. I hope you can get this, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.